What's up guys, welcome back to the Ultimate Tech Hub. So guys, if you follow our channel or subscribe to our channel, you probably saw this video on how to install this XMCosy Plus RGBW smart lights. And if you haven't seen this video, make sure to check it out later after this video. It's part of our Ultimate Outdoor Lights playlist. One of the biggest benefits of these smart string lights is that adding more string lights to the existing string lights is very simple. And after we installed this 98 feet of RGBW smart lights, we soon figured out we didn't have enough lights.
It's the last light.
We were short about 32 feet. So XMCosy was kind enough to send out an additional 32 feet of RGBW smart lights. So in this video, we're going to install these smart lights and show you how simple it is to expand these lights. And as you know, many brands of string lights do not have the capability to add on more lights. And this is a major reason why we recommend XMCosy. So without further ado, let's get started. And here's the location of our installation.
All right, this is the location for our addition right here, string lights. We're gonna connect them to this one right here. There's a connection that I can connect the lights to. We're gonna run them all the way down, probably to the end of the RV gate, maybe to that, to the very corner. We'll see how far this goes. It's 32 feet, so it's quite a bit, but I think 32 feet is past the RV gate. And I'll show you what we need here for this. Besides the ladder, you need cup hooks, and you need a drill with a small drill bit to drill the pilot hole. Then you just screw it in, makes it really tight, and we're gonna hang them right here on this hole here, so they won't be swinging around or anything. And one thing I did notice about these lights is that these bulbs are a little bit different than the ones we have up here. Let me show you what I have up here. It's from the same company, but it looks like they changed the bulbs. These are a little different. These are a little thinner and a little larger. So I'm hoping this looks as good. It should look, hopefully, the same once they turn on. We'll find out tonight. However, they do look a little smaller, but they are thicker. I gotta notice, these are definitely thick. So they're acrylic. It's great though, we need more light here for security, and also just for like when we have holidays, we can do Christmas or 4th of July or Thanksgiving, whatever. So anyways, I'll show you how to do this, and we'll do a time lapse to get this done quickly. All right, let's go. I'm gonna plug one in first, also into this lights, and I'll turn them on and make sure these work before I go any further. I don't want to do a lot of work if for some reason they don't work out.
So to connect the 32 feet to the 98 feet, it's a simple screw-on connector from one pair of lights to the other.
And they all work.
This light string has 12 lights for 32 feet. So I need 12 hooks. We're gonna go one light at a time. Pull one light tight with no slack, drill a hole, twist in a hook, then hook on the light. Then rinse and repeat. And repeat. And repeat. And that's it, it's time to test the lights. I wanna make sure these lights work with the other lights. For instance, if I turn on blue, all the lights should be blue. Or Christmas colors, all the lights should be Christmas colors. And as you can see, they all work perfectly. And even though the light bulbs are different, at night you can't even tell. They look great. So if you've purchased XMCosy lights before, adding more lights is a breeze. And of course, I'll have all product links in the description below. And guys, I want to encourage you to visit my Patreon page, where $2 a month helps keep this channel going. And for every new member, we do a personal shout out on the very next video. And make sure to follow us on Instagram. We do product giveaways every 4 months, and to be eligible for the giveaways, you must be following us on Instagram. And guys, don't forget, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it. If you're loving it, hit subscribe to keep this channel alive. I'll see you in the next video real soon. Peace.